Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do an eye, and it's very easy. It's going to look like this. I done it earlier, then someone interrupted the video, so so then I had to delete all of it because I couldn't edit it out. So now let's just get into it. So first add a square canvas. Oh wait guys, and also I wanted to ask, who are my subscribers? I want you to comment on this video to show me who you are, because I don't know who you are. So please, if you're subscribed, comment. But anyways, let's get back into the video. So yeah, normally I would, first pick a skin color and do like an eye shape. So normally I do light skin, but this time I'm just going to do dark skin because why not? And pick whatever brush you like. That's like a normal brush, so it could be the monoline brush, could be any brush. And make an arc like that. That was a bit horrible, so I'm just going to redo it. Make an arc. And yeah, so just make an arc. And make another one at the bottom. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I'll need to try that again because my arcs look horrible. Okay, good. And just duplicate it. And after base, and then so bring it down and flip it vertically, so then it's like the exact same. And then connect the lines. Oh my god, this is a thin eye. I didn't realize. Okay, merge the two layers if you done what I done, and then just fill it with your skin color, whatever skin color you're choosing. So I'm making it a bit bigger and putting it in the middle of the page. You don't have to, but yeah. So and then add another layer and put it under this layer. And add these colors. I'm sorry if you hear some background noise. My brother's making his YouTube video right now. So first add the color, like a dark blue color. So yeah, you can add that now. But make a circle, because circles to me look better. If you do this, it's more like a cartoony, and you want this to be a bit more realistic. So yeah, I don't know what is that all about. So right now I'm just making it a bit bigger because it's a very thin eye. It's a really thin one. So yeah. And then to make my life easier, just duplicate that layer, and alpha lock, and then fill the layer with a lighter blue. So fill layer, undo alpha lock, and then make it so that it's smaller. Cause yeah, just make it so that it's smaller. Because of purposes. Okay, good. And then after that, again, duplicate it. I don't know where this is coming from. There's a little like dot thingy. I need to erase that. But it's like under, so I can't even see if it's erasing. Okay, I've erased one. Over here. Okay, good. They're both erased. Again, duplicate that layer, alpha lock, and then fill it, but this time with a teal. Yeah. And again, make it smaller. Oh, I forgot to undo AdBlock, but that doesn't really make a change. And then again, duplicate that layer, but this time, fill the layer with, I remember to AdBlock, with a yellow. It can be any type of yellow, but it's got to be a yellow. Really, you can do this hack with all colours, but just this is the beginner one. Okay. So right now I'm just quickly putting that in the middle. There we go. So I've only just realised now that the pupil in mine is going to be really big. So don't do what I done. Make sure your pupil's small. To maybe do a bigger brush size or something. But yeah, my pupil's going to be really, really big. But obviously it's not going to really affect how it looks. But you know. Now I'm just putting it back here. Do this. And then fill that. And obviously mine looks a bit worse because I stupidly didn't do a bigger brush size. But yeah. Now go back to the color layer. And with the teal, since it should be your third colour, add some of the teal into that really dark blue. Maybe you're doing this with a smaller brush. And